So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from a US bank account on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, go to the top, press on PayPal balance, then select add money. Now once you're here, type in the amount of money that you want to add. So if you wanted to do $10, I just press on $10. Then at the bottom, select link a bank account. On this page under popular banks, if you are in Canada like myself, no US bank accounts will be showing. Instead, you have to go to the top and search for your bank name. So if I were to type in Chase Bank, for example, it's not going to show up. So instead, you have to select enter your bank details. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and link a bank account. So you can type in the account. So it could be checking savings, the transit number, the institution number, the account number. But if you want to add a US bank account, go to the bottom, press on link a US bank account. Then you can type in the routing number, the account number, and then pressing agreeing and linking. And that's how you guys can add money from a US bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.